Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to flip normals in 3D Max software. Okay, I have this example box and you can see we have this face back side. So if you want to flip normals, you can go to editable poly, click in here and choose polygon selection. Go to edit polygons and click flip. For example, I will select out this face and click flip. The color more bright, it will be automatically normal the face. You can click outside, this is normal, and we select again at this face, use flip to make this face normals. You can go back again to editing these 3D models. Okay, that's it, how to flip normals in 3D Max. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.